Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be talking about our 10 chasses in cha-cha. Alrighty guys, so our 10 chasses are side together side to the right, side together side to the left, forward lockstep with our right, forward lockstep with our left, compact chasse, slip chasse, ronde chasse, hip twist chasse, and then back lockstep with our right and back lockstep with our left. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna go through all of the chasses and then we will put it all together in a routine for you to practice at home. Our first one is side together, side to the right. So we have side together, side to the right. And then we have side together, side to the left. Side together, side to the left. Yeah, this is usually used in a basic step in cha-cha. So we have side together, side to the right, and side together, side to the left. We also have lockstep forward on the right. Yeah, so we step forward, we cross the left foot behind, and then again we step forward with the right foot, and then the same thing with the left foot. Forward, cross the right foot behind, and step forward again with the left foot. Yeah, so that's our lockstep forward with the right and lockstep forward with the left. Next one, let's do the back lockstep. So back lockstep is the same thing, almost similar to going forward, but we're going to be doing it backwards. So you're going to start with the right foot, you're going to step back, you're going to cross your left foot in front, cross and step back with the right foot, and again step back with the left, cross the right foot in front, and step back with your left foot. So those are our back lock steps. We'll do the forward lock step and the back lock step one more time. So we have and step and cross and step, switch, step and cross and step, switch, step and cross and step, switch, step and cross and step. Now going backwards. And step and cross and step, switch, step and cross and step, switch, step and cross and step, switch, step and cross and step, switch. So we just went through our forward lock steps and our back lock steps. Now we are gonna go through a compact chasse. Very, very easy. This one is a very simple one. So we just change our weight back and forth, left, right, right, yeah? And we're just going to change back and forth, but make sure you do it 3 times because it's a chasse. Chasse has 3 steps, so you're gonna change the weight 3 times. So you're gonna do 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. We'll do that one more time. So I switch my weight to the right, switch my weight to the left, switch my weight to the right. So it's really important that we just switch back and forth. Try it again. And with the count, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. So also, which I didn't mention in the beginning, but I'll mention now, is that our chasse, so it's 3 steps, and over the 3 steps, it's 2 counts. So we're gonna do half, half full, half, half full. So if I'm doing, I'll take you with me doing the side together side. So we have half, half full, half, half full. Yeah, and if I do my forward lock step, the same thing. Half, half full, half, half full. And again, going back, half, half full, half, half full. And that's why I'll count it 2 and 3, 4 and 1. The end is half a count. So that you know when I count it, so you're not getting confused, like, what is she saying? What is the end? So we will do compact chasse one more time. We have 2 and 3, 4 and 1, switch, switch, hold, switch, switch, hold. So we just went through our side to the side, right and left, forward lock step right and left, back lock step right and left, and then compact chasse. So after the compact chasse, we are going to now go through a slip chasse. Yeah, slip chasse, once we get into the slip, the ronde, and the hip twist, this is where it starts getting a little cray, but that's okay. We'll go through it slowly first. So we have a slip chasse. We start going forward with our left foot. We have a check position. We step forward. Now we replace the foot back. From here, our left foot goes back, stays on the ball of the foot. We slip the back foot in slightly, slip, collect your left foot to your right foot, and then switch your weight. So we'll do it one more time. And check, and back, slip, together, switch. Now this is where it gets a little funky with the timing. So we're gonna try it with the timing. Here we go. And 2, and 3, and chop up, chop, chop. And again, 2, and 3, and chop up, chop, chop. So our slip, I always give it a little because it's literally a quarter of a beat that it happens. It's so fast and it's taken, we take that half of the count, cha, cha, cha. Yeah, so I'll do it facing you guys. So maybe it will be a little easier to see. We have 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. And again, 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. Yeah, we're gonna practice that a few more times. I'll face back now. Practicing the slip chasse. Here we go. 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. Here we go. Again. 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. Again. 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. So we just did the slip chasse. Now we're gonna get into a hip twist chasse. So here we go. We're gonna step back with our right foot, forward with our left foot. We are going to bring your right foot around, and this is where it's called the hip twist, because we twist. Yeah, and we give ourselves a little bit of a press line here. We have cha, we step onto the foot, cha, we switch the weight, feet together, and then step to this right foot to the side. We'll try that again. And right foot back, left foot forward, right foot across, press line, step onto it, cha, cha, feet together, and step to the side, cha. Yeah, so with our timing, it's 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. And again, 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. Okay, we're gonna just practice that a few more times. And 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. Again, 2 and 3, cha, cha, cha. Again, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Again, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So we just went through our hip twist. Now we have to go through our final one, which is ronde chasse. So we have check again, like we did in the slip chasse. Check, step forward with the left foot. We are going to step back with our right foot and ronde our left foot out to the side. 3. Now from here, our left foot goes straight behind, crosses, cha. We step onto it. We step onto our right foot, cha, and we step to the side, cha. Yeah, so it crosses behind, cha, cha, cha. Do it again. And 2, ronde, 3, and cha, cha, cha. And again, 2 and 3, and cha, cha, cha. One more time. And 2 and 3 and a cha, a cha, a cha. And it's really important, guys, that after you do this ronde, you make sure it ends on the side. Don't let that ronde go all the way around, cha, cha, cha. The ronde stops to the side, stops there, and then it comes in and goes through the back. It doesn't go di, di, da. Yeah, so we only have 2, 3, a cha, cha, cha. Again, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Alrighty guys, so we finished all of our 10 chasses. One thing I want to say is that when I'm showing you how to do the chasses, I know that I have, let's say I do my hip twist, I know I have been putting that heel down, and stepping to the side. So we're trying to achieve the heels down, but because it is a quick, slow, it's quite difficult to put those heels down and work with real cha-cha timing. So if you do decide to leave those heels up, cha, 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 I have absolutely no issue with that. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you the routine to put all the 10 chasses together. Here we go. So we're going to start with going to the right. We're going to do a basic step. We're going to have cha, 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 and forward. And cha, 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 and back. And cha, 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 and forward. And cha, 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 and back. Yeah? Now we're going to do 4 chasses forward. Cha, 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 cha. I just lied. It's 3, not 4. I lied, but that's okay. Now we're going to do a slip chasse. 2, 3, slip chasse. Now we're going to do a hip twist. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Now we're going to do a ronde. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Compact chasse. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Again, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Now we're going to do 4 lock steps backwards. 2 and 3. I promise I didn't lie this time. And 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And then from the beginning. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Forward, 4 and 1. Back. Yes, guys, let's practice that a few more times. Here we go. And cha, 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 and forward. And cha, 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 and back. And cha, 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 and forward. And cha, cha, cha. Now lock steps 3 forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip chasse. 2, 3. And now hip twist. 2, 3. Now ronde. 2, 3. 4 and compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 back lock steps, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, beginning, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Now lock steps. 3 going forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we slip. 2, 3. Slip chasse. Hip twist. 4 and ronde. 2, 3. 4 and compact. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. Back lock steps. 2 and 3. 4 and 1, 2 and 3. One more time from the beginning. 4 and 1. A little bit faster. 4 and 1. Back. 4 and 1. Forward. 4 and 1. Lock steps going forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip chasse. 2, 3. Hip twist. 2, 3. Ronde. 2, 3. 4 and 1. Compact, compact, compact. Last one, lock step, going back. And now stop. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna try it with slow music, the 10 chasse routine. So now we are going to do it with normal cha-cha speed. It is gonna feel fast because it is fast. Just try your best. If it is very, very fast, it's okay. Just keep rewinding the slow part over and over again and it will get there. You just have to work towards it. But for all the people who feel comfortable, let's do it fast. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 4 and 1. Back. 4 and 1. 4. Lock step. Slip chasse. Twist. Run. On. Back. Back. Beginning. Okay guys, that was our 10 chasses, little drills for you to practice it while you're at home. Get up, get moving. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.